If you look at the recent study by Deloitte, the total recruitment being done by USA and Europe is going to drop from about 55% to about 35%, whereas from India and China it's going to increase from 5% to about 25%. So what that means is that a huge amount of recruitment that's going to happen, the proportion of jobs is going to change in India and China. And therefore, the whole job market, the geographical shift is going to happen. Also in Europe, the total job, the age profile going down, people becoming older, and therefore there will be a lot of jobs that will happen from people moving from India and China into Europe also. So that is one is the geographical shift. The other is probably, the whole automation that as I see it, there is a lot of automation happening in brick and mortar industries. So if you look at production that happens in a car manufacturer like ours, it is getting more and more automated. So robots are taking over the work. So for the, the lower end jobs and the middle end jobs, they're going to get squeezed. The number of people that are going to be working on that. So you'll have factories, instead of having a few thousand people, it'll have only about a few hundred people who would actually be working on those factories. So therefore, a lot of jobs will move out and the high-end jobs will move in terms of, the sort of job that needs to be done. And therefore, people who are required will be of a different quality, different level, maybe more IT savvy, more handling the robots and things like that. And the top-end jobs also, some of it, even say for example like a doctor, a semi-skilled job could probably become, based on artificial intelligence, a job that can be done partly by the computer. So automation would move more and more people out of the mainstream industries and make people more free as they work. And when people become free as they work, they'll have more leisure time. So we could be thinking of, instead of a 6-day week, we could be thinking of a 5-day week or even a 4-day week, which also means that the leisure industry will go up because people in the free time will go to, theme park, amusement parks. They'll have a good time, they'll enjoy, and there'll be an industry which is basically centered around providing service to them. That would grow up, which has already happened in parts of Europe. So there'll be more people in the hotel, the amusement industries, and recreational activities. There'll be more jobs there. So that'll be one shift that's going to happen.